Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you follow my channel, from time to time I do product reviews. This is going to be a product review. It's on the Chamberlain wireless keypad for your automatic garage doors. We have a LiftMaster. We actually have two. We have a double and a single. This is going to go on the single just in case we get locked out. We do have control from our cell phones, because everything is kind of modernized these days. But I think I wanted to go ahead and throw a video together here just to show you the setup and how it works. So this is made by Chamberlain. Chamberlain makes all these products, Craftsman, LiftMaster, Chamberlain, they're all made by Chamberlain. Chamberlain is like the mother company, if you will. This model here is the 940EV-P2, right there in the corner. It is illuminated. It says it's fast and easy setup. Strongest encryption with all weather protective cover. And this is what the box looks like. It says billion code encryption, that you can actually have a billion codes. I guess it revolves all the time. No wiring. It is wireless, fast programming, one touch close, mounting hardware and battery included. So really nothing to it. Probably not going to be much of an unboxing. Comes with a little barcode, I guess, in case you try to sneak out of the store with it. Mounting screws, owner's manual and setup. So now what you will have to have is you will have to have a system where you have a learn button. So you're going to have to look for that. You'll be able to put in a 4-digit personal identification code once you're done to be able to raise and lower your garage door. So like I said, you got to go to either your panel or to your garage door opener. This would be your garage door opener itself, the one that's hanging in the air, and you can press that. Or you can go to the press panel that you might have by your wall, and pretty simple. Press and hold the star and pound buttons until the lights on the keypad stop blinking. Enter a 4-digit personal identification number of your choice, then press the pound button. Press and release the enter button on the keyless entry the number of times that corresponds with your garage door opener type. And apparently there's a bunch of types this will work with. It says garage door opener types: yellow learn button, purple learn button, red/orange learn button, green learn button. So it'll be compatible with a lot of them. It says number of presses, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back up here, press and release the 0 button. Press and release the learn button on the garage door opener. The learn LED will light within 30 seconds. Enter your 4-digit pin, then press and release the enter button until the garage door opener lights flash or 2 clicks are heard. To test, enter the pin, then press the enter button. The garage door opener will activate. To program the keyless entry to more than one garage door opener, repeat the programming steps using a new pin for each additional garage door opener. Okay, cool. So we can use this for multiple doors. So what I would suggest, of course, you want to make sure you put your battery in. We've already done that ahead of time, so you don't have to worry about it. It does just take a 9-volt battery, like that. Put that in, slide your latch back on, and lock it. And it also has little instructions there inside in case you lose this manual or you're outside in the rain or something. You want to change a pin, you got somebody else coming over, a delivery package, or the neighbor. There's where you're going to mount this. You'll go ahead and you'll take the battery back out and you put your one screw in here on the back side where the battery is. And then you'll have one screw here where it goes in to the back panel. Now what I would suggest is go ahead and learn this with your opener before you mount it to make sure everything's okay. If there's any problems, then you're going to be angry and you have it mounted, fully mounted, and you have to rip it back off and try to figure out what's going on. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is what my opener looks like. I'm going to go ahead and hit that learn button, which is this big one right here. Hold it in. You hear the double tone. Then go down to my remote. Right here. Within 30 seconds, enter a 4-digit code. And you heard it click. Press release when the motor unit lights up. And that's it. That's how simple it is. We'll go ahead and hit the enter button again, and it goes down. Pretty simple. So I hope that was informative, that this video helps you in any way. Do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, a like on YouTube. It lets YouTube know that you like our videos. Please share with your family and friends, and hit that bell icon, smash that thing, because you never know what kind of video I'm coming up with next, and it's going to notify you immediately. Hope everybody's healthy and doing well. Take care.